What's going on, Unbox Nation? How you guys doing today? Hope everything is well as always. If you're new to our channel, please hit that subscribe and bell button to be notified for awesome future content. In today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing Canon Ivy mini photo printer. So let's unbox the true potential of this box, guys. The Canon Ivy photo printer comes in a simple, nice Canon branding box. And let's take a look what also comes inside. So we have a Canon Ivy photo printer itself, the quick start guide, some manual, 10 sheets of zinc photo paper, and a 6-inch mini USB cable. Let's talk about some specs now, guys. The Ivy looks like a small, flat computer scanner. It measures about 0.7 inches in height, 3.2 inches in width, and 4.7 inches in length, and weighs about 5.6 ounces. Canon offers the Ivy in 3 different color schemes, all two-tone, with white on top and pastel shade around the edge and on the bottom. The colors are rose gold, just like mine, mint green, or slate gray. Internally, the Canon Ivy has 64 megabytes of RAM to keep tabs on your print jobs. That's about half of what you find inside a regular printer, but it's more than enough for the kind of printing the Ivy is built to do. It's powered by a 500 mega amp lithium-ion battery. Getting a full recharge takes about 90 minutes with the standard 5-volt charging speed. Unfortunately, the charge lasts not quite enough as you'd like it to last. However, you can get about 20 sheets of printing per charge. On the back, you'll find a micro USB connector for charging the device, as well as the charging status LED and a reset pinhole. On the left edge is on/off button. A slot on the front edge is where your pictures will be emerging from. Canon Ivy uses paper infused with color crystals, which display colors on the paper when heated by the printer. The photo paper comes with a peel to stick adhesive layer on a bag that can turn your pictures into stickers. What a cool thing in my mind it is. Guys, smash that like button and comment down below if you think photo stickers is something you would love to have. Unfortunately, however, the image quality are not as colorful, vibrant as you get from a consumer grade photo print. But yet again, this is a pocket printer, and for the size and price, these pictures look amazing. Canon Mini Print is the app that you use to operate this printer. Canon Mini Print app comes ready to connect to Instagram, Google Drive, Dropbox, and Facebook. Considering it's a mobile app, it comes with some powerful photo editing features. Photos can be modified with filters, frames, emojis, or captions. I even noticed the app provides access to the print queue. You can load and print images from your phone storage or the internet. You can choose to print the photos as is, or you can edit them with the app. Canon Ivy is pretty easy to set up and use. As you can see, the app is ready to walk you through the setup itself. So it tells you to charge the printer, then power it on, then load the paper, connect the printer, add it to your Bluetooth list, and then you're ready to print. When you download the Canon Mini Print app, you can also scan the QR code in the quick start guide, and app will walk you through the quick setup. But I want to make sure I am helpful to you guys as well, so I'll do a quick walkthrough with you. If you can add a Bluetooth device or an app to your smartphone, you got this. Just power it up with the included USB cord and wait for the onboard power LED to switch from red to green. Take the Canon Ivy Mini, slide off the back cover, and add paper with the blue calibration page or Canon logo facing down. After that, connect to the Ivy through Bluetooth. It will calibrate itself when the first print job is sent. Unfortunately, the connectivity comprises of just one option, and it's wireless, Bluetooth. You pair the Ivy printer to your mobile device just as you would any other Bluetooth device through the device's Bluetooth control panel. Guys, smash that like button if you think that setup was a piece of cake for you, and comment down below whether or not you had difficulties connecting your Canon Ivy mini printer. When it comes to the quality, the Canon Ivy mini printer is 314 by 400 dpi printer. Since it prints on a small media, the lower dpi doesn't have a noticeable effect on the quality of the photos, which I will demonstrate to you guys right now by printing a photo of my best buddy. We're not gonna do any edits since I want you guys to see the original photo and its quality. So all we're gonna do is press this button right here. Then we're gonna make sure that the printer is connected to our mobile device, which this green sign will be shown up there if it is. And then all you have to do is press the button right here. And now the photo is printing. So let's give it a sec and see how it will turn out. As we mentioned before, the Ivy prints on 2x3 sticker paper, which is a smudge-free and water-resistant. Those smaller prints can be made into something larger by creating an image composed of 4 to 9 separate prints. The resolution of each print is 314 by 400 dpi, which can be strung together into larger images quite nicely. It's an excellent picture quality relative to the size of the prints, as you can see, guys. And the awesome Canon Ivy mini printer app even allows you to put together multiple photos for a collage. Some important things to remember is that compared to a typical desktop printer, the Canon Ivy has a slimmer operating temperature. It's built to operate between 59 to 89 degrees Fahrenheit. The Ivy may be highly portable, but you don't want to do your prints in the freezing temperatures. This shouldn't be a major concern for many people, but it is something you should keep in mind before trying to do prints outdoors in Alaska or North Pole. The Ivy includes Canon's 1-year warranty, which comes with toll-free tech support. I haven't tried to reach the Canon support just yet, but I heard Canon tech support is actually good. So you shouldn't have any issues unless you do print your photos at the North Pole. Guys, if you watch this video until the end and you're listening to me say this, then I really appreciate you guys. It takes a lot of work and dedication to be making these videos for you with the hope that someone will find them helpful. Also, if you did find this video helpful to you, please hit that like button, subscribe, of course, if it doesn't cost you anything, and hit the bell button to be notified for future awesome content. Thank you very much, guys. Happy holidays and a happy new year.